Today our topic is about history of statistics, and we will in this topic we will discuss about history of statistics, from where does this word and this subject begin from. As we use statistics in our daily routine lives, but we don't know about the history of, many of us don't know about the history of statistics. So in this video we will discuss about the history of statistics. First of all, the word statistics was derived from Latin word status or the Italian word statista. Both words mean same, like political state. The word statist is found used by Shakespeare and Milton. Shakespeare used this word in Hamlet and Cymbeline acts, and Milton used this word in his play book Paradise Regained. And after that, this word become familiar and well versed in the affair of the state. And now we will see the word statistics history in 18th century. In 1749, Gottfried H. Wall, during one of his lectures at a German university, used the word statistic to mean the political science of several countries. And at the end of 18th century, the word statistics began to be used in England as an equivalent of the German word statistic. And the thing is, in the German word was statistic with a K on its end, and the England word was statistics, which we are familiar nowadays. The earliest use of statistics was to describe political state of different countries, where statistics refers to, and statistics also refer to the branch of political knowledge which deal with the civilization of the inhabitants, nature of industry and policies of the government in several modern studies. During the last decade of the 18th century, the word statistics was used by many writers, and mainly the word statistics began to use regularly. And in 19th century, there came a change of meaning of the word statistics. The first change occurred when it began to be used in a narrow sense with the description of the characteristic bias of a state by numeric words and methods. Another change is noticed in the first volume of the Journal of Royal Statistics Society 1838 to 39, where statistics has been defined as the bringing together of those facts which are calculated to illustrate the conditions and prospects of society. Another significant change occurred when the word statistic began to be used as the mean, the series with which the science of statistics deals with. Numbers numbered their people and made fairly accurate counts of population. And we can also see that the word statistics is found, statistics word or the purpose of statistics is found in earlier ages as 3050 BC in Egypt, where a land survey was conducted by Ramesses II about 1400 BC to redistribute the land among the inhabitants of Egypt. History tells the similar census of the population wealth were conducted by Chinese, Roman and Greek rulers. Before that, after Ramses II, during the Middle Ages, William the Conqueror undertook a survey to collect detailed information on population, land, crops, and forest in Germany. The survey is known as Doomsday Survey. Similar survey was also carried out by Muslim ruler Mamun Rashid of Baghdad, Emperor Frederick of Germany, Edward II of England. During the reign of Mughal Emperor Akbar, a population land survey was conducted in the Indo-Pak subcontinent. Funding of this survey was recorded in Aine Akbari. The There is also another aspect of statistics, which is the theory of probability, which forms an important part of statistics. The theory of probability has its origin in the game of chance, and mathematician named James G. Cardona, 1501 to 1536 was its period, wrote an article on the hazards of the game of chance and pronounced certain rules by which the risk in gambling could be minimized. A professor at Basel named Jacob Bernoulli in made the theory of probability in his great work. In 1763, Thomas Bayes made the first attempt to the probability as an instrument in inductive reasoning. Other prominent mathematicians such as Pascal, Fermat, Daniel Bernoulli, Simpson, Lagrange, and etc. developed many important theorems on probability. The equation of the normal curve, which is very important in statistics, was first published in 1733 by De Moivre. The same result was later developed by two mathematicians, Laplace and Gauss. During 19th and 20th century, R. A. Fisher also made notable contribution in the development of small sample theory, although most of the methods developed by Fisher were in the field of agriculture and biology. The social scientists soon recognized the importance of Fisher's method and began to use them in their day-to-day research. The hypothesis testing theory was developed by J. Neyman and E. S. Pearson. The stem and leaf plot and box plot are two simple graphical techniques of explanatory data analysis which was introduced by John Tukey in 1977. And guys, this is the history and status of the science of statistics up till the middle of the 20th century. During the last 5 decades, much productive research has been done in the areas of mathematical statistics, probability theory, game theory, decision theory, stochastic process, operational research, theory of sampling, and experimental design. Please give us your opinion and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.